How to change language on H&M app. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to change the language of H&M app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download H&M on Play Store and App Store, or you can visit the website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, if I open the H&M app, it will require me to choose a region. So it means that the language of H&M app depends on the region. So if I chose a region, and my H&M language will be stuck on that region language, so I can't change the language freely. And the only way to change the language freely is by using the H&M website. So rather than going on the app, we're just gonna go on the website. So let's go to Google and visit the H&M website with the link that I posted below the description. And right here on the website, as you can see, I can log in my account by clicking that icon. And right here, I can change the language by clicking the three dots right here on the top right corner. And if I click that, I will find translate right here and just click that. And as you can see, I can choose any language that I want by clicking the three dots again and click more language. So as you can see, all language are listed here, and I can just change the language whatever I want while browsing. And yeah, that's it. That's the only way to change the language freely on H&M app. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.